As you can see, I am struggling my entire life with. Never in a billion years I thought that my first camera would be from Sony. So this is the clip that I'm recording using my new camera in the 4K video mode. Have you seen my new catto? So he's Pishu. We adopted him and Coco as well, that I'm about to show you in a bit. And he is the cutest little fluffy doll. I call them my real life teddy bear because they actually are. You don't like it? You don't like the camera? What is there? What is there to see? When I am introducing you to the world of glamour. Pishu, say hello to my vlog. He's my real life teddy bear and I love him way too much. What? See, he's meowing and telling me that he loves me too. Hello everyone, meet Coco, the lady of the house. She is very sassy because she is a female cat. And after struggling, here we have her. She is Coco, my princess. Not really. I think she hates us. No, you don't hate us? Tell them in the camera. Tell them. Look, she also wanna go all the time. She always wanna go. Why you can't stay? Listen, I am your mother. No, I am your Masi. She is more sassy, by the way. If you wanna get a pet, a cat, then go for male. I would recommend. As you can see, I am struggling my entire life with Coco. Right now I am heading out to buy my camera. हर जगह वो out of stock है. Let's see if I can find that because I do not have any hopes for it.
Several days later.
Uzi. Hello.
Later that night.
Oh my god, you guys, I have bought my first ever camera from Sony. Never in a billion years I thought that my first camera would be from Sony. If you don't know already, ever since I began my channel, I have been filming on my Android phone. Even this vlog that you are seeing right now is shot on my smartphone. I get okayish quality with my smartphone and I have produced quite a lot of videos with my phone. I needed a camera since forever because A camera is a camera and a phone is phone, and you get a lot of limitations when you do work with a phone instead of a camera. The main reason why I have got a camera is I wanted to eliminate the struggle while filming. So if you don't know already, filming with a phone is hectic. It's not an easy task. Initially, I was thinking of buying the Canon M50 Mark II, which is the upgraded version of M50 Mark I. But when I tried that camera, I did not like it. Then I researched a bit more and I got to know about this camera that I have got. This is the Sony ZV-E10. I have got it with the lens. It's the 60 to 50 mm kit lens, and it's a 4K camera that has a flip screen as well. I love how lightweight and compact this camera is, and it's good for vlogging as well. This is the latest launch from Sony, and ये 2021 के मिड में लॉन्च हुआ है, so it's really difficult to get your hands on this one because it's still a very new camera. So this is the clip that I'm recording using my new camera in the 4K video mode. The quality would be better, of course, and the audio is from the internal mic of the camera. So I'm not using any external mic right now. So now I'm gonna attach this external mic that I have and see if the audio becomes better. So now I have plugged in an external mic into the camera. So now the audio quality will be slightly better. I'm so happy with this camera. The colors and everything are so much better as compared to what I used to see. So yeah, get ready to see a lot of good content from my end, a lot of vlogs and sit down videos as well. So I'm already in love with my camera, and I think I will have to play with this bad boy a bit more to understand each feature, because I am new to this technical things and I'm not good at it. So that's it for this vlog. I really hope you guys enjoyed it and found it helpful, and I will see you all in another vlog. Bye.